Want to know how to make same video like this? Watch the full video and don't skip it. Capcut app used to make this video. I will add music clips in video description. Open Capcut app and import images. I use 21 images in this video because this music clip has 20 beats in it. So with every beat we will change the image. After importing images, now adjust the images so they fit to the screen properly. Now tap here to add the music to project. Browse the music file. I will provide this clip to you so you can use it. And I will add author details also. Tap on the music clip. Then tap on Match Cuts. Increase timeline size. Now you have to add beats manually. Don't click on Auto Generate. Add beats like I am adding. This will help you later when you have to fix images between the beats. You can delete the beat if you did mistake adding them. Add 20 beats to this clip. Now adjust images according to the beats. Increase first image time on the timeline. Fix it to the first beat. Now add second image between the beats and do same with rest of the images as well. I am skipping the process. I hope now you can add the images like I did. Let me play the video to give you idea. Images changing with the beats. Looking perfect for me. If you want to adjust images in your project, you can pause the video and adjust. Then tap on first image. And the tap here to add the animation to it. Tap on combo and look for animation called Yo-Yo 2. I will add path to it on left side of the video. Now tap 3 times here to go back to main window. Here you will find effects. Tap on it. Then go to video effects. Scroll right and find retro. Now scroll down and find jitter effect. Tap on it to add on the timeline. Increase the size of the effect on timeline. After adding effect, now you have to add animation to rest of the images. Go and tap on second image. Now tap on animation and select combo here. Scroll to the left and find animation called Slip and Slide 1. Now on next image you have to add animation called Slip and Slide 2. Add it in sequence to next images as well. Add Slip and Slide 1 and 2 respectively. I am showing you to add animation to second and third image in detail. For the rest of images do the same. I am skipping this part. Added animation to last image as well. Now it's time to check the result. It's look perfect. If you want to change anything you can. Now to export the video, tap here. While video is exporting, I want to request you to please subscribe the channel and share it with friends. Also do check out more videos on the channel. I will see you next time. Till then, goodbye.